Hi everyone, Miss Stewardson here. This video is going to show you how to thread the upper thread of the baby lock sewing machine. Right now I have the bobbin that I just did the process of winding, and if you didn't see that, please watch the previous video. So this is ready to go, and my spool thread is actually still in the position where it was wound. So if you've just wound your bobbin, take the thread out of the first process, which went to the right, and now we're going to thread the machine to the left. If you are adding your spool thread into the machine, make sure that thread is at the bottom. See, it's coming out of the bottom and the front, and make sure that you have your spool cap on the top. So this time we are going to follow the instructions on the machine with the solid lines. You can see the numbers are black on the machine: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to follow those numbers in order so that we can correctly thread our machine. So I'm going to pull out a length of thread and start to follow the numbers. So I'm going to 1, down, up, to the left, following number 2, down and around number 3, up, and to number 4. Now you can see that I can't move my thread past this point, and I did this on purpose to show you that you need to make sure that your presser foot is up. So you're going to push the lever at the back and it goes up, and you can see that this little plastic piece has moved back, and I can continue to thread my machine. So I'm going to put it down now to number 5. Number 6 is a little bit hard to see. It is right here. There is a number 6 right there, and it's a little metal hook that you need to make sure the thread passes through and goes all the way to the left-hand side. You can see that my thread is coming out of the left-hand side. And now I'm going to go up to number 7, which is this plastic piece here. And then I can use my thread cutter to cut the thread. Now, to use the needle threader of the machine, you need to now put your presser foot back down. So I'm going to use the lever at the back. It's a little bit hard to see the lever on the screen here because it's in the up position, but I'm going to put it back down, and you can see it now. So in the down position, I'm going to press my threader lever, and the machine, which is very cool, will thread it itself. So you can see the mechanism as I push down will go to the needle and thread it, just like that. Now you will see that there is a loop of thread right here, and you may need to pull it through. Lift your presser foot back up and take a look and see where your loop is. So I need the end to come out, and as you can see, it's still in the needle. And then you're going to pass the thread through the slit in the presser foot and rest it to the left and back of the presser foot. The only thing left to do now is to put the bobbin in place, and we are going to place it underneath the cover here. You follow the arrow here to pop open the case, like so, and remove. Now, your bobbin needs to have a piece of thread coming out. If you tug on that thread, the thread should be going towards the left, and your bobbin should be winding counterclockwise. See how I'm doing that? When I pull it, it should be going to the left, and it is rotating counterclockwise. When you have that correct, you drop it into the machine. Let's see if I can give you a closer look here. So here's where the bobbin goes, and there's instructions right here if you forget what direction the thread should go. So pop it into the machine like so, and take your thread. I know it's hard to see because it's white, but take your thread and place it underneath this guide here and around, and then around this guide, and over here. Over here, there is another blade that will cut your thread for you. So now it's in the proper position, and I will put my cover back on. So my machine is threaded. I can close the top cover, and if I were to begin, I would put my fabric in my presser foot down and my needle down, and you push this button, remember, to put your needle down. If you lift it back up by pushing the button again, you can see that the thread has picked up the bobbin thread and you're ready to sew. So thanks for watching. Please practice threading your machine, and then you'll be ready to do your first project.